Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to install and customize apps on your Android TV. First, make sure your Android TV is powered on and connected to the internet. Once that's done, go to the Google Play Store on your Android TV by navigating to the Apps section on the home screen. In the Google Play Store, you can browse and search for the apps you want to install. To install an app, simply select it and click on the Install button. The app will then start downloading and installing on your Android TV. Once the installation is complete, you can find the app in the Apps section of your home screen. Now, let's move on to customizing your apps on Android TV. To customize an app, you can usually find the settings within the app itself. Look for options like Preferences, Settings, or Customization within the app's interface. Additionally, you can often long press the app icon on the home screen to reveal customization options like moving the app, uninstalling it, or changing its position. If you want to organize your apps or create folders, you can do so by pressing and holding the Select button on your remote while hovering over an app icon. This will allow you to move the app around the screen, create a folder, or delete it. Feel free to arrange your apps in a way that makes navigation easier for you. And that's it! You now know how to install and customize apps on your Android TV. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.